This is a test of frequency instruments, bass, drums, distortion.
Hi guys, today guys I'm going to teach you how to clean your Apple iPad or your Apple iProducts with baby wipes. And baby wipes can be found all over the place. You get it in your local grocery store, you can get it in your supermarket, hypermarket. Basically they're a quick alternative way if you don't have any hand sanitizer just to clean your Apple screens and get that baby germ free. With all that bacteria going around there, especially right now the viruses going on around there, we want to get this Apple products germ free. Let's do this. So basically, this is what your baby wipes gonna look like, or your hand hygiene wipes. You can buy them from any store. This is what they basically look like. They're kind of moist and wet. And try to get the ones with scent free, because you don't want your iPad smelling roses or fairies, okay? And when you're doing it, make sure you avoid the ports, as I said already. Avoid all the sockets, like this. Make sure you avoid these areas, because you don't want any liquid getting into them. That will cause your item to be liquid damage and not guaranteed that the manufacturer's warranty, okay guys? And we don't do anything that affects the manufacturer's warranty. The only thing I'll say about when you use the baby wipes is that sometimes these are a residue on the screen. And remember, the moment you touch your screen, guys, you're still going to leave it with germs on it already. So just be sure that you know that no sure method of cleaning your Apple products or iPad products is absolutely 100% germ-free. We're just doing our best for a bad situation and outbreak of viruses and germs, trying to keep ourselves germ-free. So there you have it.